This video is brought to you by the good people over at Enermax, makers of fine computer cases, cooling solutions, power supplies, and more. For more information, visit enermaxusa.com. Hello everybody, it's Brian for GadgetUnit.com, and today I'll be bringing you an unboxing and overview of the Rosewill RCR-IC001 3.5-inch internal memory card reader. You can pick this up from Amazon for about $10. This also includes a silver faceplate, so if you happen to be using a silver computer case, you could go ahead and swap that onto this. Let's go ahead and get into the box now. Here is the silver faceplate that's there front and center. Going through everything else, you can see that we do have some documentation here. Just tells you a little bit more about the card reader itself in multiple languages. Here is the bubble wrap for the card reader. So inside we have a little bag of 4 screws, so you can properly mount this into your case. Here we have the memory card reader itself. Here we have the Rosewill logo, a couple of activity indicators, the USB 2.0 port, and all of our ports for our different types of memory cards. Here is the cable and our internal USB 2.0 plug. And that is it. So if you have any comments, questions, or feedback about this or anything else, feel free to leave those down below in the comments area. But that is it with this video. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you all very soon.